Hi guys, so like we can see that how the forex major pairs can work for next weeks. Okay guys, you can see that this is the one of the major trend line right now. Okay guys, if this will break guys, okay guys, if this will break, take here support somewhere here only, or you can buy here only and your SL will be somewhere here only. Okay guys, this will be ideal. If you are risk taker, you can take it. Okay guys, your first target will be this, second target guys. Okay guys, if you are want more target, then this will be third and fourth target guys. These are the four target in upside momentum guys. Okay guys, you can see here also guys, if it will breaks and came downside, then our first target will be this, second target guys, third and fourth guys. These are the four target guys. In British pound versus US dollar guys, you can see here guys, what happened is that I will just shift these only because these are working right now is perfectly. So you can see here guys, the thing is, after this line will be break, then you can go for your first target, second guys. Okay guys, this will be second target, your third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, these are the best in upside. In downside also we can discuss guys. In downside it will take a resistance somewhere here guys, then our first target will be here guys, second target you can go for this, third guys, this will be fourth guys. Okay guys, if you want to know in live market, you can join my telegram channel also guys. There I will share you so many posts, so you can got very nicely and take accurately guys. Okay guys, you can see here also guys, you can see that euro versus GBP guys. So you can see that if once again it will take here support guys, then our first target will be this, second target guys, and our third target will be somewhere here guys. Okay guys, this will be fourth target our, it will touches, then fifth target guys, this will be our final sixth target guys. Okay guys, in downside also these are the our downside target guys. If it comes and take resistance, it will be gives us very big momentum up till here guys. If it take resistance, then our first target, second, third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, you can watch the analysis guys. Whoever you can follow the trader guys, you have to watch their analysis, because you have learned so much from their analysis, because they tell us how to trade that thing. We have not get it, so they got the thing is that they know that the how to trade the specific thing in that time. So that's why you have to see the analysis. I have done so many analysis, go and check out guys. You have get so much learning in there also. Okay guys, we can see next euro USD versus Canadian dollar. Okay guys, right now it's taken a resistance guys properly. So what I am saying is that if once again it came upside guys, okay guys, once again it came upside guys, you can see here it take resistance, then our first target will be this guys, second target, third and fourth target guys. This is the final fourth target guys. If once again it came upside momentum guys, okay guys, in upside momentum take support, then our first target will be this guys, second target, third target. You can join my telegram channel guys. There I will tell you so many ideas in forex and cryptos and some US index analysis also. You can join there too guys. Okay guys, US dollar versus Swiss francs we can talk is that you can see here one of the major trend line is here guys. You can see here, this is the major trend line guys. Right now you can see here guys. Okay guys, if it will break, then what we have to do? So if it will break and take support somewhere here, our first immediate target will be this guys, second target guys, then it will breaks and take support, then our third and fourth final target. Okay guys, if it will continue taking a resistance, then guys we can expect that our first target will be this guys, second target, third target will be somewhere here guys, fourth target guys. These are the four target in downside too guys. Okay guys, we can see next AUD versus US dollar guys. You can see that I have told you this will be major resistance area acting. So what we have to see is that if it will break upside momentum guys. Okay guys, take a support somewhere here. Our first target will be this, second, third target guys. Okay guys, these are the three, and you can go for fourth target too if you want to. Okay guys, you have to book your second target only, book your 80% to 70% guys, so you can get very nice momentum guys. If you have confidence, then you can take third and fourth too guys. Okay guys, our first target in downside, second guys, third, if once again take resistance, fourth and fifth guys. Okay guys, we can see in New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. You can see that two times it has continuously taken resistance from here. If once again it will break this line, then we can expect that our first target will be here, second target and third target guys. Okay guys, these are the three target guys. We can see in downside also, if once again it will take resistance, then our first target, second, third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, probability is very high it will breaks and gives us very big momentum in upside momentum, because two times it has taken resistance, so third time always it will breaks. Okay guys, you can see euro versus GBPY. Okay why you can see here, this will be act as resistance for us right now. Okay guys, this is the very small area where act as resistance for us. So if it will break this, then our first target, second and third target will be here. Okay guys, if it once again take resistance from here, then as usual our first target will be here, second target guys, third, this will be fourth and fifth target. Okay guys, these are the five target. And one learning also there guys, if you have shorted here somewhere, okay guys, you have shorted somewhere here, you have to see that where the buyer has came, somewhere here only buyer has been activated so much. That's why here once again buyer are activated so much and taken it upside momentum. Okay guys, if you have not seen that thing also, you can see here, you have to see this trend line. After this trend line, you can see that exactly here only taken support at the, after breaking this came and take support and goes upside momentum once again. So these are the small thing you have to see it. Okay guys, in AUD versus CHF, you can see here continuously given us very big momentum guys right now, so we can expect that it maybe become a sideways. Right now it will be act as a resistance for this. Okay guys, so we can see here in downside once again, if it's continuing right now, then our first target would be here guys, second, and our final third target guys. Okay guys, in upside momentum we can see that guys, if once again take a support somewhere here guys, our first target will be this guys, second target and our third target final. Okay guys, these are the we can see next GBPY versus British pound versus Japanese yen. We have got very nice target. This is the analysis what I have told you. This is have lot of learning. You can see I have next this over will be, after that I will analysis all this thing, how the what we have that we have discussed and how it behave. Okay guys, we can see that if once again it will take somewhere here only resistance guys, then our first target immediate will be this guys, second immediate target will be somewhere here. Okay guys, third target, and this will be fourth target. You have to see here only reversible he has been came, so you have to see the very properly that it do not reverse here. Okay guys, then you can take up till here guys. Okay guys, we can see in upside too. Okay guys, we have not seen upside momentum also, we can see upside momentum too. You can see here in upside momentum also guys, you can see here if it will breaks and came upside momentum, then our first target, second and final third target guys. Okay guys, we can see all the things has been we have discussed. Now we can see the analysis of previous week, what we have analysis and how we have got. You can see that my accuracy is 90 to 93% accurate in forex, also in US stocks and index also. You can check out all the analysis, there are so many learnings in there. You can check out my Telegram channel also, I give you the update also there. So thank you guys.